Hi guys, we are going to replace the door seal for the Bosch washing machine. For that we need to take the two screws from the back and take the panel out. Now I am taking the dispenser, soft dispenser out. So take the screws from the soft dispenser. So we need to take the front panel off to take the whole front bit out. So be careful here a little bit, there is a clip there. It's really hard to see, and take the things out. And now we take the screws out from the top of the door of front panel, and just take the wire harness off so that you can keep the panel on the top. Now I'm taking the screws from the drain seal. It's really hard to see, so two screws so that we can take the front panel out. And also I forget to mention that we have two screws at the bottom. Normally we don't see those screws, so we need to take those two screws out, and it's a little bit harder, and again it's really hard to see those screws. Yes, there you can see. And now take the another one. And now normally you have to take the springs before door seal, but for me the customer has already took the springs from the front door seals. Also remove the drain cover and then take the front panel out. So you can remove the cable from the door switch if you like to do so. So here is the door seal cable, but if you are okay with that you can put it like that, but be very careful. I'm okay with that, so I don't care. So just remove the hose clamp from the junction hose. Yeah, it's a little bit hard, I got a little bit injured there. Yeah, just take it out slowly. Yeah, it came off. So now take the light cover out, and also you can take the light cover. You just need to make the ear gap before taking out with the small screw. There you go. So this is the light cover. We can also say lamp cover. Now take the spring from the back, which is very easier if you are replacing for the first time. So just and then with the help of take the clamp out, we did it later, and then with the help of screw, just screwdriver, just take the door seal off. Now you guys need to put the new one in. So before putting the new one in, you should line up those three holes, and also put the WD-40 so that it will go off easily. Don't put too much because it will slip otherwise, and it will be very hard. Now I'll struggle a little bit from there because it's very hard for the lineup, and then it's very hard for the lineup. So in this video what we're gonna do is now basically you need to put the door seal, but because my GoPro has turned off in the meantime, so I did not know that, and then I couldn't really make the full video. So to put everything back, you just need to go to the reverse, and then just replace the door seal. Anyway, if you watch this and if you are really confident, you will able to finish the jobs, even if you don't like watch us doing the full things. So there I was struggling a little bit. So what you can do is now putting all the door seal back, and then you can finish the jobs. Thank you for watching us. Please let us know if you like us.